Hi guys, and welcome to our channel Catastrophe Sailing. I'm Rune.
And I'm Lika. Please join us on our journey here on YouTube. What are you doing, babe?
I'm taking apart portable watermaker and trying to see if I can fit it in the forward locker because I want to make a permanent installation. We bought it second hand and that's why we bought the portable. I was going for a fixed solution, naked system as they call it, but just took off the plastic part here and then I'm going to make my own panel because it's like 500 euros for the control panel. Yep, trying to see if I can fit it up there. So I'm going to mount it against the bulkhead. Just trying to figure out where to put it.
Nice. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm not working. You are.
Yeah.
I'm about to cut a big hole in one of the panels of the boat. I made or got a panel fabricated for the watermaker because the Rainman panel was crazy expensive and it didn't have all the features that I wanted, so I bought some stuff and I'm going to cut a hole now in this panel. It's down here on the port side. In here I placed the membrane and that's where I'm going to put the panel. I hope it will be a good place for that. We have to see. Okay, so underway, and I'm going to try and run the watermaker for the first time. We got about 94% of the battery and we're charging, so might as well make a go for it. I am going to fill our starboard tank and this is how much we have now, so I'm going to run it for an hour and see what happens. So here we have the beast. I'm going to switch this one to test. I'm going to switch the intake from C. Output I'm going to wait, and then it should just be switching it on. Let's see. sounds like water is coming through. I am now going to increase the pressure over the membrane. Slowly. I can hear the pressure is building up, and I'm now in the green. Flow through, and I'm going to turn off the TDS. Turn on, sorry. And it actually just has to be below 500. Right now it's at 5, 4, 3, 2. Well, I'm just waiting for it to settle down because I want as clean water as possible here. So just testing it. So we're looking at about 160, 170. So that's enough. And then I'll be switching to the starboard tank. There we go. And I will be turning off the test. And we're producing just about 75, 6, 7, almost 80 liters per hour. And we're still in the green. Just want it to be a bit more there. And we're running. We're producing water. From running the watermaker, we're consuming 1500 watts, and I will let it run for an hour. So it's 10:53. Let's see at 11:53. So we just ran for about an hour. It's 11:56. 98% batteries. Some water has been produced, probably around 80 liters. So now we're going to do the procedure to do the backwash and or the flush of the system with clean water and turn it off. So here we go. I am going to decrease the pressure, and I'm actually opening the test there, turning the tank off. That's it. So now we're taking from C, and I will turn off the pump. I'm going to switch it over from tank, and then I'll turn it on again for a few minutes to leave it taking water from the port tank. So just about a minute has gone by now, and I can switch it off, this off, switch, test off, done. Water produced. We're going to install the new swivel here, and we're going to shorten up the chain because we have some corrosion going on because of stainless and regular steel.
Why do we have to take this off?
As I had told before, we've having some problems with the windlass. We need to change the brushes on it, and we're leaking some oil here. I want to look into that, maybe put in some new seals. So total service, because this is our lifeline. But here the problem is the space, not enough. So now I just need to go under the thing and loosen the bolts. Yeah. 13 mil. Here. These 4. What? Okay. In the toolbox there's a 13 mil spanner.
Ui. 17, 14. 15. Ah, 13. Yeah. Here you go. What?
Sorry, 17.
Ah, it was the first one.
Nice.
What we are hiding under here is a dinghy and the sub board and a dinghy more. Hopefully it will keep staying here when we are in Denmark. But the wind is quite windy in this area. Maybe because of the mountain. People around us told us that when they say 50 knots, it's not 50 knots, it's 17 knots. I am just making the life better for Rune. Open and closing.
Yeah, that's nice. This here is the cable for the pickup, which I will try to see if I can use later on, because I would like to get the chain counter on it here. So that's cut. That's it.
Nice. I am really looking forward to a new motor engine.
Yeah, motor. Otherwise,
Yeah.
please correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, but I'm happy because I am the manual anchor thing. When this one doesn't work, I am the power. I am the power.
Austin power.
Not Austin power. I am just very strong. This sailing life is really a happy life, right?
Trying to see if I can figure out how to do this, but I can't.
You can't say on YouTube.
Trying to figure out how to get it out, but I can't seem to get it out. So we didn't get any footage of me doing the last bit of repairs on the windlass, but I can tell you it was a messy job, and I got it to work. Changed the seals, put in some new oil and new brushes, and now it just runs like a dream. It's fantastic. Very happy with this, and the windlass is just running like a dream.